Station Nebula G3 4. Let's go. Dude, I haven't found like any goddamn gold bolts, like at all. At all. Any goddamn gold bolts at all. I want to find the gold bolts. It's so shiny. Wow. That was a really bad impersonation. It sounded more like John Travolta or something similar. I didn't like it. The tone was all wrong. Oh my God, Sandy, it's really you. So this is Blarg Station Nebula. A nebula for the Blarg. More good music. Every stage, dude. Every stage. We're gonna start by going this way, I suppose. Get our trespass on here. Please forgive those who trespass against Blarg Station Nebula. And lead us not into death traps. And deliver us from Ratchet. Yo, this is a Clank solo mission, baby. Clank solo mission. We're on a mission from God. Not really. We're on a mission for ourselves. Clank is an independent metal woman that don't need no lombacks. Go do his own shit. The one thing I don't like about these sections is how slow you move. It's a really fun section, but I forgot to take my pills today. Oh. Let's get in the captain's seat. What? I can't get in? Man, fuck your seat. I wanna be Captain Clank, dude. Captain Clank, the taste you can see.
Jump, then press and hold the X button.
Wow, it's almost like it's the exact same.
Glide.
Thank you, Gadgetron lady. You are the best. Can I climb up this? No, but I can glitch into it. Alright. What is happening? What is going on? Oh my God, what is happening? Ooh, frame rate. That was weird. Motherfucker, you wanna go? You wanna fucking go, bitch? I have literal fists of steel. Literally hitting you with steel. Do not fuck with me. I will end you. Dude, we're speedrunning this. Let's go as fast as possible. Oh, what a shit camera angle. Oh God, where am I? Okay. That's a really bad camera angle for that. I don't know why I didn't change it. Oh! Holy shit! Oh, why you making me do this? Why you making me? Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta be like that, baby? We was having such a good time. And you gotta be all like, yo, make sure you move extra slow. Damn, baby, you know that's cold. This is a pretty cool mechanic of the game. I like it.
You have just activated a Gadgebot.
I got a Gadgebot.
To command a Gadgebot, hold down the triangle button and select
Wait! Attack!
Or enter.
Yeah, if I can enter. Attack. Engage with the enemy. Atta boy. At least one of them had to have died there. None of them died! Wow! Usually one dies at this part, because they go and walk into all the little froggies in the next room and explode. But they didn't. That's awesome. So that's kind of the thing, is that you just have to make all the Gadgebots enter the doorways that have a specific number. Most of the time, you're going to have to actually get all of the Gadgebots that are available into the gate to open it. Most of the time. Maybe all the time. I don't know. I don't remember. There's this Scooby-Doo laugh of doom. Scooby-Doom!
The Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses Insta-Faucets.
Insta-Faucets and Insta I don't care. Insta turn off. Fucking gadgetron whore. Trying to talk over me. I'm the one that does the talking in this game. You dirty hussy. And now we return to Ratchet to discuss the fine wares that we have received.
Back. So you are. And I found this.
Hey, cool. It's a, what is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those, I guess.
Wow, so smooth, Ratchet. I'm sure Clank really, really believes that you always wanted a hydro displacer. Ooh.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
We're gonna get the taunter. Taunter's fun. Taunter! God, what a fucking stupid face. Oh my gosh, that was dumb as hell. How dumb as hell, baby. Uh-oh. Oh god. It's poisonous. That's bad. Poison bad. Taunter good. These sounds, though, are so good. Oh god! Ooh, run away! The Pyrociter! Bring it on, bitch. Oh god. No, it's not. I'm supposed to be killing you. Dang. These guys think they know me, but they do not. Oh, hit him! Holy moly. Ooh, try hitting with the... Ooh. Hit him up with the taunter, eh? Come hang out, dude. You dum-dum. You can't walk through the force field just because I whistled at you. What a silly Billy. Oh yeah, you can break the environment too. You already knew that. I was breaking headlights. Headlights? Hello? I was breaking... Not headlights, but breaking hearts. Oh god. Street lamps. On, Fuck, dude, I can't remember anything right now. My brain is... My head is smart, but my brain is dumb. So much to do. So much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? Oh. I put it in the wrong one. Wait. What? Wait? There we go. Wait. What? Oh god! Why are you here? You heathen miscreants. Good lord. Alright, we're just gonna do this fast. Wow, that's so much better. Holy shit. This works great. Woo! Oh, I like that. Oh, mama. What is this place? I don't like it. Do I like it? I don't like it. I don't even want to get those boxes. They're not fun. Oh, not going up there yet. Now I'm going up. Oh god, what the flying fart. Yo, I've got those 2 health refills though. Nanotech, I believe they are called. I like it. Oh, and we're already in there. We're just gonna do this. Screw changing weapons right now. Wow, I was surprisingly prepared for that. That's odd. Bomb glove. Dude, I should have bought more ammo for the bomb glove. Oh, dick. I didn't see that until I had already exploded it. Uh-oh. Got him. Got him. Where's the other one? There he is. Come on. I don't know why they show cutscenes for that. When the cutscene just goes right into, like, actual gameplay. You know? What the heck? Oh! Whew! Oh, jeez. Gee willikers, dude. There are so many. I'm afraid of these guys up here. They're scaring me. think they're stuck. Thank goodness. That could have been bad. Uh-oh. Don't hit me. Oh, mama. There we go. Dude, this is like going weirdly well. I don't know why. I'm not a fan. Ammo.
I got some great
Can I?
bargains for you.
I have to
there.
actually. Ammo maxed. Ammo
That's a real
maxed. I
beauty.
still don't want to buy the Glove of Doom. I don't know why. I want to go over here and do this. Oh god, fuck me. Oh, golly. There we go. Got him. This AI though. See ya. Oh, hello. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Ooh, nice. I found a secret little spot up here. Or did I? No, I definitely didn't. Oh shit, there's more! Get out of here. Oh, hello. That was probably the easiest gold bolt in the game to find. Holy hell. That was interesting.